God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations.
Hi girls, welcome back to another YouTube channel, and in today's video we are doing a ponytail, and this is Chixdema with another tutorial video. So just go ahead and watch the video and learn how to do a ponytail at home. And for your information, I did this hair by myself at home. The clipping was done by me, so you can literally do a clipping by yourself at home. And let's just go straight into the video. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to another hair tutorial. And in this video I decided to braid my hair a night before in order to stretch it out a bit so it won't be so tangled. As you know that natural 4C hair gets tangled quite easily. So the next day when I was ready to put on my ponytail, all I needed to do was unravel the braids and brush it out a little bit. To get my hair really slicked down, I'm using the Ampro Pro styling gel. You can use any gel of your choice. I decided to use this because this was what I had at the moment. And just so you know, this style demands that you divide your hair and slick it section by section, as I will be doing right now. I divided my hair into 3 different sections, and if you see me bending over, I'm just trying to pick up the gel which was down and apply it to my hair. So I chose this Ampro Pro styling gel because one, the gel is black gel, even though it leaves a little bit of residue later on, but it doesn't leave much residue and it doesn't flake at all. That's why I decided to use this as my styling gel. Now I sectioned off my hair into 3 parts like I mentioned earlier, and for each part I would apply the gel, hold it down with a clip, and reapply the gel once again. After that I held it with a rubber band. Now I decided to just hold my hair with only 2 rubber bands to avoid unnecessary headaches. Usually I would go ahead and add a couple of bands to it. Oh, and let me also specify that I did not use the usual rubber band. I used the black band, which is safer, and if possible you should also get a scrunchy band. That might not really hold what you want, but you can get a band that is made with a good material to avoid damaging your hair in the process, since we are going to constantly tie our hair. Moving on to the front section, I wanted a center pattern, so I went ahead to divide my hair carefully at the center. You could see that I did this a couple of times because this can just turn out wrong. Then I divided each section into 2 and gelled it down, but like I said earlier, because I didn't want to use a lot of rubber bands, I only just applied the gel, brushed it down, then applied the gel to the top area before holding it down with a rubber band. Using an elastic band, I tied or kept my edges in place, then went ahead with a satin scarf to keep the hair in place. Now at this point, if you want to apply heat to your hair, you can go ahead to use a blow dryer to get it to dry up faster if you cannot wait. But I was trying so much not to use heat on my hair this period because I had no heat protectant on, so I just went ahead to tie down my hair and leave it on for about 30 minutes. While that was waiting, I went ahead to insert my clipping ponytail. I did this ponytail at home, like I mentioned earlier, with just a weave of my choice, and you could see the clipping parts, and it has like a rope that I can use to tie it to.
I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
I had little piece of hair remaining from the sewing, and I decided to use this to wrap around the connection of my hair and the ponytail to give it a clean finish. Then I went ahead to trim my hair and apply some mousse to it. Thank you so much for reaching the end of this video, and do make sure to hit the subscribe button and put on your notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next
Know
video.
that I'm
Bye.
someone. No, I'm a child of God.